Kaseng United Democratic Party UDP kalaong bakiriu sign perthe ki barangti ha kajing persyang Jingkhroh ki jingyo Jingkhroh na kebenta ki Kyrtong ha ki por election. Habaklen sekilat pathai kubor menteri ke sarkar jilla par working president ke UDP ha kasngi baar. Ya kane olong ha bapen pai nia halor ke jingmi ke khana bakila don kato kanengut kinoy ngalam ke UDP nanong ba constituency kila penlong ya gejingi kendu lang bat ke Kyrtong ke NPP ke kong amprin lingdo ke balapan ke Jingkhroh ha ke jingyalang Kaba harisot ke thai marmen. Ula ong bakum kene Kadei ke aka ke balak jujia hapok kesan perteh haba wan ki election ki bobon ki ngalam ki la long shirham par kene sngo phala Henry ha ke bakhadu ki bru ken te vote kat kum ke board sngo thu ba ke jingkhain nalor ki wepat.
Well, this is something very normal, very routine in politics. Come elections, various political actors get active and hyperactive. Therefore, it's nothing to be surprised about. But at the end of the day, uh, people will vote based on their own calculation and assessment of the efficacy, the potential, and the credibility of the candidates and the parties that they represent. And these political actors will not make much of a difference. They will not be able to be in a position to swing the balance in favor or against any particular candidate.
But is it not a worrying trend because the UDP has its own candidate?
Well, in one sense, it helps us to be able to filter and see through the character of various persons involved. And once you have something like parliamentary elections and people switching sides, then you know their true colors, and that helps us to really know who we should rely on and who are people who will just change colors in the blink of an eye for personal gains.